Don't go to the bed box. Go, Rosie. Go. All under the bushes. Look everywhere. Look everywhere.
Where's Vince? Oh, there it is.
Everywhere.
Right there.
Hurry up, Rosalie, go. Leonard, you want to I got your phone.
I forgot I was recording.
Pick up that cup, Rosalie.
Man, I'm trying to Easter egg hunt. You got me picking up trash.
It didn't work though. She wasn't back down.
Okay, Rosalie.
That was a special
All the
egg.
way over there, Rosalie.
I see one.
All the way over there, Rosalie.
Come on, found one. Ready, one.
I got a couple of them already.
Oh!
Hey, I didn't get that on video. Do it again.
Oh!
It's fall in the bush.
Yeah. He's the only one really looking.
Is it weird that none of them really look in the bushes right here?
They're not?
Not they just passed them.
Look at Roger. Look at Roger.
You got watch though.
No why to look at the confetti. But Roger thinking of everything.
Over here.
Roger, over there, like that.
All right here.
Over here.
Rosalie, you're just walking around.
Shake the bush, Vince. Shake the bush. Shake them. Hey, look, Vince. You had your hand next to one.
I know. Bitch, you had
On top. Over here. Come this way. Stop. Now put your hand over it. Ha.
Roger got it.
You got shake it, it came out.
Oh!
Hey, I got that one.
You're the bush, man.
Inside the bushes, Jose?
Don't look in them bushes good.
Told
There,
you.
see?
See?
You got it. Jose got it.
I already got it.
Under the bushes, too. There's
Yeah, just under the bushes. They're all in the bushes.